Hey everyone, this is the first episode of my Gym Beginner series, and my goal is to share everything you need to know as a beginner in the gym to be successful on your fitness journey. Today we're going to start at the very beginning and talk about setting fitness goals. Having clear, achievable goals is important because it gives you direction, motivation, and helps you track your progress. Some of the most common fitness goals are weight and fat loss, building muscle, improving endurance, enhancing flexibility, and just being generally more healthy. Weight and fat loss are two of the most common fitness goals. The two are often used interchangeably, but they're actually two very different things. Weight loss refers to the overall reduction of mass in your body, which includes not just fat, but water and muscle as well. When people talk about weight loss, they often refer to the number on the scale going down. Weight loss typically involves calorie deficits, which we'll describe more in a later video, and in it, you're consuming fewer calories than you burn. However, without proper resistance, strength training, and nutrition, weight loss can lead to muscle loss. Fat loss, on the other hand, specifically targets the reduction of fat. This is the goal for most people looking to improve their physique and overall health. Fat loss requires a combination of a calorie deficit, strength training to preserve muscle mass, and a balanced diet to ensure the body burns fat instead of muscle. You can use a body composition scale to track these metrics beyond just weight. Higher body fat percentages are often associated with various health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. High body fat percentages for women are above 32%, and for men, above 25%. Another goal is building muscle, and building muscle is a goal that focuses on resistance training. With basic exercise and a proper nutrition with loads of protein, you'll be well equipped to build the muscle you're looking for. Improving endurance is another big one. If you want to be able to run longer or work out without getting fatigued quickly, you can improve your endurance, and that goal is typically associated with cardio. You can build endurance by incorporating running and high-intensity interval training, or HIIT workouts, into your routine. Then we've got enhancing flexibility. If you're feeling tight or want to move freely, improving your flexibility is a great goal. Stretching regularly and incorporating mobility exercises will help improve your range of motion and prevent injury. And of course, general health and wellness is a goal that anyone can benefit from. Staying active, eating well, and keeping a positive mindset can improve everything from your mind to your body. Now that we've covered some common fitness goals, let's talk about how to set them. The key here is to make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which is an acronym for SMART goals. Let's break it down. Instead of saying, I want to lose fat, a SMART goal would be, I want to reduce my body fat percentage by 5% in the next 3 months by following a diet with a calorie deficit, strength training 3 times per week, and doing 2 cardio sessions per week. This goal is specific, 5% body fat reduction, measurable, trackable through a body composition scale, achievable, it's a healthy goal for most people, relevant, it's related to fat loss, and time-bound. It's set for 3 months. By using the SMART method, you're giving yourself a roadmap to success. Now, what are some of the different ways you can track your progress? In the next episode, we'll talk about just that. Click the link in the top right. Thanks for watching.